Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Who is this speaking? So like I have been telling you, in 1 week my video come, my big video is come, and it is a big video. In today's video I will be telling you how to build the UI WhatsApp app in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I will be telling you all the step by step, and see this video start to end. And please go to my Facebook page. I follow it, in my Instagram and my Twitter. I will give you link in my description. Okay. And now I will not take a long time. So now let's start this video. So now let's get started. So in today's video, like I have been telling you, in today's video we learning about the WhatsApp UI app. Okay. And then I will be showing you a preview of WhatsApp, and here we will see that we will be making. And I will be first of all see you in responsive, and in responsive it look like that, and here the name and Maria, Emna, Emilia, and you will be click here to here it is coming like that. I really like your WhatsApp project, Ryan. Congratulations, and here it is. His voice message, and here is the message. Here you will see it, and you will write anything here. Okay, here you will see it, and here the emoji, and like here you will see it, and we are building that and search icon and that, and here it is coming, and you will be scroll down also, and here the status. Here you will be click, so it will come. You will come to the status, and just now 40 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, here you will see it. And you will come to the call also. Here you will click call, so you will come to the call. Yasini, Imra, Sina, Jenny, Kushi. Here you will see it. You are building that amazing WhatsApp clone, and I will be see you like that. And here you will see it. You will be click here. Wow. Hello Ryan. What's your age? Wow. Nice video. How are you, my brother? Hello. I see your video. It was amazing. Love you, brother. I love your content. It is very much. And here you will be click it, and offline you will be like, and you will be write like your name, you will be write like also, and here is status, and here you will see it. We are building that. So now let's build it. So now first of all I will be what we can do. First of all I will be go here, and I will be open new window and erase it, and open folder, and open folder I will be go to the desktop and select folder, and it will be opening. And now first of all I will be what we can do here. I will be selected that all the things, and here will be erase it and save it. And what we can do, we will be erase this also, and what we can do, that style.css file, here we will be also erase this style.css file. Okay, here I will be go and erase it and save it. And so now what we can do, first of all I will be side by side it, because I tell you in all video we will be in all big video we will be side by side it. So okay, so I will be it, and that is, brother. Okay, so now what we can do into the body that, here we can go, and now we can define a div, a class, container, and header should be what we can do into the header. Here we will define a href, hashtag, class, logo should be WhatsApp, and enter. And now here we can write like div, and class will be action, enter. A should be href, hashtag, and here we can write like ion should be icon, and here we will be write like icon name, and name should be camera, outline. And now what we can do, till name already done, so here we will be copy it, and now what we can do, we will paste it and paste it. And what we can do, here we will be erase it, and here we can write like search, and here we will write like leave pieces. And what we can do, till work is done, and here we will be enterprise and div class will be, I will give like text, enter, and input. Here we can give like input, and type should be, I will give radio, and radio should be, I will give chat, and I will give name should be group, and here I will give like check it. And now what we can do, input, here we can input should be type should be radio, and id should be status. And what we can do, here we can write like name should be group. And what we can do, till which is done, and here we can till. So we will be copy it, and what we can do, first of all I will be do one thing else. Here I will be pasting, and here we can write like calls, and then save and then refresh. So now here we will see total work is done till here. So what we can do, here the work is done, and here we can define a div class buttons, enter, and label should be, here I will give like for chat, and here we can write like chat. And what we can do, here we will be write like label, here I will give like for status, and here I will give like status. And what we can do, here I will be copy it, and I will be paste it, and here we will be erase it, and here we will write like calls, and calls, here I will be erase it, and here we can erase it, and here we will be write like call, and here we will be write like div class will be under line, and div class will be underline, and enter press. Sorry, no, enter press. And what we can do, till my work is done, and here I will be write like div class quick btn. And what we can do, here we can write like div class will be btn should be message, and here we will be write like ion should be icon. And now what we can do, here we will be write like name, and here we can write like chat bubble. And what we can do, here we will be go, and here we will be enterprise, and div class will be btn should be camera, and div class will be pencil. And what we can do, here we can write like ion should be, here we can write like icon, and here I will give like name should be pencil should be sharp. And now the name of work is done. So what we can do, pencil should be sharp, and here we can write like ion should be icon. And now what we can do, name should be, here I will be give like camera, and now what we can do, till my work is done. So here we will be go camera, and now here we will be enterprise, and here we can write like div class should be btn should be call. And now what we can do, here we will be write like ion should be icon. And now what we can do, here we will be write like name should be call. And now the lemma work is done, and call. And now what we can do, here we will be go, and here we will give like div should be class should be content, and enter, and div class should be box cats, and enter, and div class should be data, enter, div class should be chat list, enter, div class should be block unread open. And now here we will be write like div class will be image vx, enter, image should be share x will be image slash image will be one.jpg. And now the name of work is done, and what you can do here we will be enter press, and now the name of work is done, and here we will be define like div class with details, and now here we will be write like div class should be list head, and now what we can do here we can write like export should be Ryan, and now what we can do here we will be go and enter press. And here we can define a p class will be time, and time will be 11. It is your own check what the time you will be give 11:56. And now here I will be what we can do enter press, and here we can write like div class will be message slash p, and now what we can do p and p what sub app clone project dot. And now here we will be write like p should be I, and now what we can do the lemma what is done enter div class block enter div class img ex enter, and here we will be write like image, and here we will be write like image select img slash img2.jpg, and now what we can do here we will be enter press, and here we will be write like div class the details, and here we will be enter and div. So what we can do here we will be erase it, and here we will be what we can do div details, okay, what we can do here I will be and one, okay, and copy it, sorry, here I will be what we can do copy it, I will be and I will be erase it and paste. And now what we can do, and here I will format and what we can do the lemma what is done, and here we will be on sorry, and now the lemma work is done and block, and here we can write like erase it and block, and image should be bx, and image should be I will be give like 2, and here I will be give like details, and like s4 I will be give like Maria, and Maria I will be give like, and now what we can do here I will be change the time 9:20, and here I will be write like erase it, and what we can do here I will be write like erase it, here I will define a hello Ryan, and here I will be dilemma with them. And what we can do here we will be enter press, and here we will be enter press, and here I will be go here, and image will be 3, and here I will be what we can do here I will be name should be Jack, and then time should be I will be give like 5:56 is 5:20, and here I will be write like here I will be write like what is your age, and now question mark, and here I will be what we can do here I will be erase it, and now here I will be enter press and enter press, then here I will be paste it like that, and here I will be 4, and now what we can do here we will write like EMA, and then the here we can write like 19.01.23, and what we can do here I will be give like wow. Here I will be write like wow. And now here I will be selected, and here I will be selected and erase it. Sorry, not erase it. Here I will be write like B and B, and here I will be write like 2. And what we can do till here my work is done, and here I will be pasted, and here we will be write like 5 and details. And now what we can do here, we will be erase it and Amelia. And now what we can do here, we can write 23.01.23. And now the living work is done, and now what we can do here, I will be erase it. And now here I will be erase it. And nice video. Here I will write like nice video. And here I will be erase it. And now what we can do here, we will be enter press. And now here I will be pasted again. And here I will be write like image 6. And the class will be block. And now here we will be write like John. And now here we will be write like erase it, and here I will 20.01.23. and here I will be erase it, and here I will be write like how are you my brother, and here I will be question mark, and here I will be erase it, and here I will be write like P. And now what we can do, and here I will be enter press and enter press. And now what we can do here, I will be paste it, and now here I will be 7 and then 7 and here I will be block, and here the name should be, I will be give like David, and here I will be write like 21.01.23. and WhatsApp clone project, here I will be erase it, and here I will be write like hello, and here I will be paste it again. Here we will be paste it again and 8. And here we can block, and what we can do here, we can edit and Isabella. And now 17.01.23. And now here I will be written like I see your video dot is it was amazing. And now what we can do here, I will be erasing. And now what we can do here, we will be enter press and enter, and here I will be like image, and here we can write like Michael. And now here I will be write like 13.01.23. And now here I will be erase it, and here I will be write like love you bro, and here I will be write like love you bro. And now what we can do, till him article like that, and now what we can do, love you bro, and now here I will be erase it, and now here I will be enter press, and now here I will be paste it, and now here I will be, and now 10, and now 10 should be, here I will be give like grace, and now and 11.01.23, and here I will be write like I love your content. And what we can do till work is done, and here we will be erase it and save and refresh. And now here we will see till work is done, and my image and all images are coming like here we will see it, and here we will see all things are coming easier. So now tell me what you done. So what we can do here, we will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter press, and now here we will be right like Dave. Class will be here. I will be class box status and enter, and Dave class will be data. Enter Dave class will be chat list. Enter Dave. I will be give like class. Class I will be give like image bx, and here we can give like image select. Image select should be I will give like image slash user dot jpg. And now what we can do here I will give like Dave, and class will be block, and now here we will be copy it and paste it, and here I will be paste it, and user.jpg, and when here I will be write like enter press, and Dave class will be plus, and plus will be here we will be write like Dave class will be details, and Dave class will be list will be head. Enter, and now what you can do, h4 should be Ryan, and here we will be write like Ryan, and now whenever I will be write like that, and here we can write like Dave class shall be message slash p, and p should be here we can write like hello, and now here we will be write like label should be latest update. And now what we can do, save and refresh, and you will be go down, and there you will see it, many things are coming like that, but you will be nothing see it. There we will see it. And now what we can do here, I will be go Dave class block unseen, block should be unseen, I will be give like, and here we can write like break, and Dave and details and list head. Okay, so what we will do here, I will be erase it, and now here we will be copy it like that, and you will be copy it like that whole thing. Copy it, and what we can do here, we will be paste it, and now what you can do, to remember what is done, and here we can write like block should be unseen, and what we can do here, I will be write like image should be 3.jpg, and here I will be erase it, and details should be list head, and here I will be write like David, and now here we can write like message p should be just now, and now here we will be write like copy it, and now here we will be write like paste it, and now here we will be write like image should be put, and now here we will be go to the down, and Daphne, and now here we can write like 30 minutes ago, and when I will be paste again, and here I will be write like 4, and here I will be write like here I will be write updates, and now the label will be done, and here I will be write like, and now the label will be done, and here I will be write like label should be I will be give like updates seen, and now what you can do here, we can write like image shall be 5, erase it, and now here we will be write like erase it, and now here I will be erase it, and here I will be write like Johnny, and now what we can do, and here I will be write like 1 hour ago. And now what you can do till my work is done, and now here I will be enter press, and now here you can write like image 2, and now till my work is done, and what we can do here I will be write like Jenny, and now here we will be write like go down, and here I will be like 4 hours ago. And now what you can do here I will be enter press, and here we can write like image should be 9.jpg, and now here we can go here, and here I will be erase it, and now here we can write like Imran, and here I will be write like 15 hours ago. And now till what is that, and what we can do hour ago, and now, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 sorry 3 4 5 6, and now enter press, and div class will be box will be called, and enter div class will be data, and now enter, and div class will be class will be chat list, enter div class will be block, enter div class will be imgbx, and here I will be write like ion should be icon, and here I will be write like name should be link, should be outline, and now what we can do here we can write like div class will be details, div class will be list will be head, and now what you can do h4 create search link, and now what we can do here I will be go down, and now here we can go and div class message should be p, and p should be share link for your search, and now what you can do till my work is done, and label should be resend, and here we can write div class will be block, enter div class will be image will be bx, and image select image slash image a dot jpg, enter, and now what we can do here we will be go, and here I will be write like div class will be details, and now enter, and div class will be list should be head, and now enter, and now here we can write like h4 should be yes see me, and now what we can do here I will be go to the here, and now what we can do here I will be define a div class message should be p, and incoming, and now what we can do here we can write like p, and p should be ion icon, and now here we can write like name should be arrow should be down, and here we can write like today comma 0 5 and 15, and what we can do till is done, and here we will be copy it, erase it, and paste it, and paste it, and now what we can do till my work is done, and here I will be enter press, and here I will be write like ion shall be ion icon, and now what you can do name I will be give like name should be called,
and class will be I will be give like class I will be give also call and now here will be what we can do. And now dilemma work is done and div class will be blocks will be IM and I will be copy it and I will be sorry first of all I will be dilemma work is done and I will be copy it and now I will be go here and paste it. And now what we can do, here I will be go down and here I will be write like image will be 9 and here I will be write like Imiran Rahan. And now what we can do, here message P should be I will give like outgoing and now arrow should be down, arrow should be up, down not up. And here we will be write like this same and div and for. Okay. And now what we can do here, we can write like paste it here again and here I will give like 10 and then 10 and then here I will write like C now. Okay, C now and now C now. And what we can do, arrow should be up and here I will be write like outgoing and go up and you will be do same thing on to the up. Here you will be give like outgoing and arrow should be up. And now the dilemma work is done and what we can do, you will do same thing for the arrows you will do and here you will be we go to the here in Jenny. Okay, Jenny, here will be enter press. Sorry, here you will be go and now here you will be pasted and here you will be write like image should be 5 and here you can write like Jenny and here we can write like here we can write like image should be 5 and now arrow should be up. Here I will give like and arrow should be up and now here we can go down and what we can do, and now here we can go and here we can write like 3.jpg and now here we will write like Kuzi. Okay, and now what you can do, Kuzi, here I will be write like that and what you can do, you will be write like message P should be outgoing and arrow should be up. And now dilemma work is done like here and now what we can do, you will be the same thing. Here will be a go to the here and now here will be go to the here and you will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 2 3 4 5 6 enter press and here will be write like Dev class will be chat box and now here we can write like Dev class will be chat should be header and now enter and now here we can write like Dev class should be image content and now enter and ion should be icon and now what you can do, here we can write like name should be arrow should be back should be start and now what you can do, class should be back and now what you can do, dilemma what is done and now here we can write like Dev class should be image should be dx enter image select should be image select image 1.jpg enter x3 and here I will be write like Ryan big br and here I will be write like span and span should be here I will like online you can also write, I will be write online, you will be write offline, so you will be write like offline is your own. Okay, And now what we can do till my work is done. And now here we will be write like div class will be action, should be ptn, and here I will be give like ion icon, and now here we will be write like name, should be here I will give like video cam, and now here we will be write like copy it and paste it, and here we will be call, and here I will give like reset, and now here I will give like ellipsis and vertical, and now what you can do till my work is done, and now here we can write like div class will be message box, enter div class message, and here I will give like I really like your WhatsApp clone project, Ryan dot congratulations, and here I will give like that, and here I will give like clear tag, and here I will give like span, and span should be class, should be item time, and here 11 should be 56, here I will give like that, and now till my work is done. Okay, and now here I will be what we can do, and here I will be enter press div class will be message, should be input, enter div class will be input, and ion should be icon, and now what we can do here, I will be give like name happy should be outline, and now what we can do here, we can write like input, and input type should be text, and now placeholder should be message, and now what we can do here, we can write like, and now here we will be go to the copy it and paste it, and now here we will be write like, and now here I will be write like attack should be outline, and here I will write like class will be tag should be 45, and name should be I will give like camera, and now here I will give like div class should be mic, enter ion, and here I will give like ion and slash icon, and here I will be give like that, and now here I will give like name should be mic, and now till my work is done, and now what we can do here, we have like 3 4 5 6, and now here 1 2 3 4 5, and now what we can do here, I will be 6, and here I will be till my work is done, and here I will go to the and message box, and it is good, pretty good, but there are one mistake I will be sharing. What is the mistake? And now it is good, okay, and 1 2 3 4 5, and here, but there are 3, it is okay, so here I will get back div, and it is not okay, and now what till what is done, and save and refresh, So my WhatsApp clone HTML work is done, all pretty good. And what we can do? So we come to the JavaScript code, okay, and JavaScript code, and here I will give like let back, and let back should be document, and document should be dot query selector, and query selector, and here I will give like back, and back should be dot, and here I will give like that, and here I will give like let should be chat box, and chat box should be document should be dot query selector, and here I will give like dot chat box, and now here I will give like let should be open, and here I will give like document dot query selector, and now what we can do? Here I will give like open dot, and now what we can do? Here I will give like back dot on click, and slash should be function, and here I will give like chat box should be dot class list dot add, and here I will give like hide, and here I will give like the open dot one click, and here I will give like function should be, here I will give like chat box dot class list, and here I will give like remove hide, and now here we can tell him it is done, and now we will be save here, and here we can refresh. So now tell him it is done. So as we go to my CSS code, so now we will only write the CSS code, then we will be end the video. Okay, so now like I will be let's write the CSS code. So first of all, here we can write like container should be position, relative width should be 340 pixels, height 10 pixels, background should be hashtag FFF, and now what we can do, and now here I will give like box shadow should be 10 pixels, should be 17 pixels, should be 4 pixels, should be raqba, and then raqba should be, I will give like 0, and now what we can do, here I will be give like 0, and here I will give like 0.3, and now overflow should be hidden, and now what we can do, here we can write like header should be position should be relative, and now enter, and background should be, I will give like hashtag 008069, and now here I will give like padding should be 20 pixels, should be 10 pixels, and display should be flex, and now justify content should be space between, and now what we can do, here I will be like align item should be center, and header should be dot logo, and now enter, and color should be hashtag FFF, enter, text decoration should be none, and what we can do, font weight should be 600, enter, font size 1.1 em, and now 1.1 em, and now here we can tell him what is done, and now here we can write like header dot action, and position should be relative, and here we can write like display should be flex, cap should be 15 pixels, and now what we can do, text decoration should be none, and now here we can write like header dot action should be A, and here I will give like color should be hashtag FFF, display should be flex, font size 1.5 pm, text decoration should be none, enter, and what you can do, here I will give like dot text should be input, and here we can write like visibly should be hidden, enter, display should be none, dot button should be position should be relative, and display should be flag, background should be hashtag 008069, enter, and border bottom should be, I will give 1 pixel. Solid should be rough should be 0, and here I will give like 0, and now here I will be also write like 0, and here I will be write like 0.25, and now what you can do here, I will give like dot buttons, it should be labeled, and width should be 33.33%, 33.33%, and the color should be as like FFF, and the opacity 0.75, and now what we can do here, we can write like text align should be center, enter, and now what we can do text, and here I will give like parent should be 5 pixels should be 0, and text transform should be uppercase, and now what we can do, font weight should be 700, font size 0.39 em, cursor should be pointer dot text, input will be nth child, and nth child should be 1, should be check it, and check it should be here I will give like that, and dot buttons label nth child, and now here I will give like 1 comma, and first of all I will be copy it and paste it, and now what we can do here, we can write like 2, and here I will be erase it, and now here I will be go and 2, and now what we can do, here the lemma work is done, and here I will be pasted and erase it 3, and now what we can do here, we can write like opacity should be 1, and now what we can do here, we can write like dot underline line position should be absolute, and now here we can write like left should be 0, and left should be 0, and bottom should be also 0, enter, and now width should be 33.333%, and now what we can do here, we can write like height 1.5 pixels, and now color, sorry, here we can write like background should be as like FFF, enter, transition should be 0.5 seconds, and here we can write like erase it, dot button should be dot underline, and now what we can do, the lemma what is done, nth child should be 1, and now what we can do here, we can write like left should be 0, and now here we will be copy it, and now we will be paste it, and we can paste it again, and now what we can do here, we can write like 2 and 3, and now here we can write left should be 33.33%, and now what we can do here, we can also write like height 66.666%, and now what we can do, the lemma work is done, and now what can content should be position, here I will give like relative, and width should be calyx, and calyx should be 340 pixels, and should be 3, and now here we can write like display should be flex, transition should be 0.5 seconds, overflow should be hidden, dot content should be dot box, and now position should be relative, and now width should be 340 pixels, and now 340 pixels, dot text, and now what we can do here, we will be erase it, and now erase it first of all, and first of all here I will be erase it that also, and here I will be write like content, and now what we can do, the lemma what is done, and here I will give like left should be calyx, and calyx should be 340 pixels, and should be 0, and now what we can do, the lemma what is done, and here I will be do one same thing as, here I will be copy it, and here I will be paste it and paste it, and here we can enter press and enter press, and now here I will be write like 2, and 2 should be calyx should be 340 pixels, and here I will be write like -1, and here I will be write like -2, and now -2. And now what we can do here, we can highlight dot content dot data should be position, should be here I will give like a relative, and width should be 100%, and height should be 110 pixels. Save. And now here I will be refresh it. So now here we will see it till my work is done. Here we will see it. And now here we can write like dot chat list. Dot chat list should be position, should be relative. Position should be relative, and now enter press, and height should be 100%. And now here we can write like overflow y should be auto. And now here I will be write like dot chat should be list, should be dot block. Position should be relative, and now here we can write like display should be black, should be align item should be center, width should be 100%, and gap should be 10 pixels. And now what we can do, padding should be 15 pixels, should be 10 pixels. Display should be flex, and now here I will be write like cursor should be pointer. And now here I will give like dot chat list dot block should be hover. Background should be hashtag F5, should be F5 F5. And now here tell him what is done and enter press. And now here we can write like dot chat list should be dot block, should be dot image, should be bx. Position should be relative. Main width should be 45 pixels. Height should be 45 pixels, and overflow should be hidden. Border radius 50%. And now here we can add like dot chat list dot block dot img should be bx. Okay, bx. Here I will get like bx should be image. Position should be relative. And now here we can tell him what is done. And now what we can do, top should be 0, left should be also 0, width should be 100%, and height should be 100%. And here I will be go, and here I will be write like object should be fit, object should be fit, should be cover. And now what we can do, dot chat list, here I will get like dot chat list should be dot block, should be dot details, and position should be I will give like a relative and relative. And now what you can do here, tell him what we done, enter. Width should be 100%, and now dot chat list should be dot block, should be dot details, and now dot list head, and dot list head should, and now display flex, and now justify content should be space between. And now what we can do here I will be give like dot chat list should be dot block, should be dot details, dot list head h4, font size 1 em. And now here I will give like 1 em. And now what we can do here, I will give like font weight 600, enter. Color should be hashtag 111, enter. Weight should be 100%, enter. Dot chat list should be dot block, dot details should be dot list head should be dot time, and now font size. And now the lemma is done. And font size should be 0.75 pm. Color hashtag 555. And now here we can like dot message slash p. And now enter press. And now here I will be like display should be flex, and justify content should be space between, and dot chat list and dot block should be dot details, should be p, should be color, should be hashtag 555, and display should be webkit, should be slash box. And now slash webkit slash line should be clamp. And now here I will give like 1. And now what we can do, and here I will be write like font size should be 0.9 em. And now overflow should be hidden, and text should be overflow should be ellipse 6. and here I will give like slash webpage slash box orient. Here I will give like vertical dot chat list dot lock should be dot unread and dot details dot list head dot time should be color should be hashtag 06D7555 and now save here then refresh. So now here we will see it till our work is done. And now here till our work is done till here get and then status and call. So till our work is done here we will see it and now what we can do here I will be go to the down and here I will give like dot chat list dot block should be dot unread should be dot detail should be t and now here we can write like color should be hashtag 111 enter font weight should be 600 enter dot message should be p each and now background count should be hashtag 06D755 and color should be hashtag FFF main width should be I will give like 20 pixels height should be 20 pixels border radius should be 50% enter display should be flag justify content should be center align item should be center enter and font size should be 0.75 pm and now here we can write like and slash webkit slash scroll bar and now here we can write like width should be 5 pixels and now here we can write like slash webkit slash scroll bar slash track and now here we can write like background should be transparent and now here we can write like here we can write like webkit and then slash then scroll bar and now what we can do till our work is done and thumb and now till our work is done and background should be hashtag BBB and now here we can write like dot status should be dot plus position should be absolute enter and top should be 38 pixels left should be 40 pixels width should be 25 pixels height should be also 25 pixels background should be hashtag 8069 border should be I will give like 2 pixels solid should be hashtag FFF and now here we can write like here I will give like border radius should be 50% and I am here we can write like display should be flag justify content should be center and align item should be center and now here we can write like color should be hashtag FFF enter and now here we can write like font size should be 1.2 em and now font weight 700 and dot box should be label and now padding should be 0 should be 15 pixels font weight should be 600 and now here we can write like color should be at 555 font size should be 0.85 pm 85 pm and now here we can tell him our work is done and here we can write like dot unseen dot imgpx and box shadow should be 0 0 0 should be 2 pixels should be hashtag FFF comma 0 0 0 0 should be 4 pixels should be hashtag 0 and now here we can tell him our work is done and now here we can write like dot scene dot image bx and now here we can write like box shadow should be 0 should be 0 should be 0 should be 0 should be 2 pixels should be hashtag FFF comma and now here we can write like 0 should be 0 should be 0 4 pixel and hashtag BBB and now here we can write like dot green background hashtag 008069 And now display should be flag, justify, content should be center, align item should be center. And now what we can do, color should be hashtag FFF. Font size 1.5 pm, and now rotate the minus 45 degree, and now dot incoming should be ion should be slash icon, and color should be hashtag 0f0, and rotate should be 45 degree. And now what you can do, dot outgoing should be ion slash icon, and now here we can write like color should be hashtag f00, and rotate should be 45 degree. And now here we can write like I dot call should be font size should be 1.5 pm, and color should be hashtag 008069. And now here we can write dot quick should be quick, dot quick btn should be position should be absolute. And now here we can write like bottom should be 10 pixels, should be right should be 10 pixels. And now here we can write like z index should be 1000. And now here we can write like dot quick btn should be dot btn, and now enter press. And here we can write like background should be hashtag 008069, and here we can write like width should be 50 pixels, height should be 50 pixels, border radius should be 50%, display should be flag, justify content should be center, align item should be center. And here we can write like color should be hashtag FFF. And now what we can do, font size 1.35 em, enter, cursor should be pointer, enter, display should be none, enter, and dot tabs, and here we can write like that. And now here we can write like that, and quick btn dot btn and th child and 1. And here I will give like display should be flex, copy and paste. And now what we can do, here we can write like 2, and here we can go also here 2, and here we can write like 3. And now here we can write like dot quick btn should be dot pencil, position should be absolute, and now top should be minus 50 pixels, width should be 40 pixels, height should be 40 pixels, background should be hashtag DDD, display should be flex, content should be center, align item center, color should be hashtag 33, enter, border radius should be 50%, enter, font size 0.75 em. And now here we can rem not em, okay. Enter dot chat box, enter position, and here we can write like absolute. And now what we can do, here we can write like top should be 0, left should be 0, width should be 100%, enter, height 100%, enter, background should be hashtag ECE5DD, and now Z index 1000, enter, dot chat box dot hide, and now display should be none. And what we can do, here we can write like dot chat box should be before, and content should be that, and position should be absolute, enter, top should be 0, left should be 0, and width should be 100%. And now here we can write like height should be 100%, background should be URL should be pattern should be .png, and opacity should be 0.5, .cat header, and now here we can write like position should be relative, and now width should be 100%, padding 10 pixels, and now background will be here. I will give like hashtag 08061, and now display should be flat, and now justify content should be space between, and now align item should be center, and now enter, and now here we can write like .chat slash header .image content should be display should be flat, align item should be center, gap should be 5 pixels, and here I will give like gap should be 5 pixels, center, .chat should be header, and now here we can write like .image content should be ion should be icon, and now what you can do, color should be hashtag FFF, enter, cursor should be pointer, enter, font size 1.25 pm, and now here we can and go enter, and ion slash icon, and cursor should be pointer, enter, .chat header should be .image content, and .image should be bx, and now position should be relative, and enter, and now what you can do, width should be 35 pixels, and height should be 35 pixels, for the radius 50%, and overflow should be hidden, and now here we can write like .chat should be header, .image should be content, and now .image should be bs image, and now position absolute, and now top should be 0 and left to 0, and now width should be 100%, height should be 100%, object should be fit should be covered, save, refresh, and now to lemma work is done. Here we will see it, and but there is one mistake, so I will be see it that mistake. Into the I will be see one thing into the JavaScript code, okay? So the back dot on click dot on click function, and then I will be see only one thing, okay? Just a minute. And then chat box should be class place should be dot remove, and let back should be document query selector dot back, let chat box and query selector should be that, and I will go let open and document dot query selector, and then open, and why this. And into the chat, and now okay, that's it. And now what we can do, so now let's write a style of CSS code where we will be doing 420 code we will write it, but many code are left, many not small, many not many much more code will be left, okay? And what we can do here, I will be first of all here, and now here we can go. And now what we can do here, we can go to the down, and now here we can add like the chat. Header should be dot image content should be s3, and color should be hashtag fff, enter, font size 1em, and now what we can do here, we can add like font weight 500, enter, line height should be 1.1 em, and now here we can write like enter dot chat. Header should be dot image content s3 should be spent, font size 0.7 em, and font weight should be 400 em, and now dot action btn, and position should be relative, and now here we can add like display should be flat, color should be hashtag ff, enter, gap should be 15 pixels, and now here we can enter press, and now here we can add like dot message, and now here we can add like box, and position should be here I will give like relative, enter, padding should be 20 pixels, height should be 540 pixels, and now here we can write like dot message box, and dot message should be here I will write like dot message should be position and relative, and now and here we can write like 10 pixels, and now here we can write like enter press, and now here we can write like background should be hashtag fff, and now here we can write like border radius should be 10 pixels, and now border top should be left should be radius should be 0, and now here we can write like dot message box should be dot message should be before content should be here we can write like position should be absolute, and now here we can write like top should be 0, and here we can write like left should be minus 10 pixel, enter press, and now here we can write like border should be 10 pixels, solid should be transparent, and here I will write like border top should be 10 pixels should be solid should be FFF, and now here I will be write like hashtag dot time should be position should be relative should be display should be block should be font size should be 0.7 em, and now here we can write like enter, and here we can write like width should be 100%, and now text align should be, and should be color should be hashtag 77, dot message should be input position should be absolute, bottom should be 0, and now here we can write like enter, and left should be 0, weight should be 100%, and here we can write like padding should be 5 pixels should be 10 pixels, and now display should be flag justify, content should be space between, and now align item should be center, dot message here I will be writing dot message should be input should be dot input should be position should be relative, background should be hashtag FFF should be padding should be 5 pixels should be 10 pixels should be width should be 275 pixels should be display should be flag justify, content should be between, and now here I will write like a line item should be center, border radius should be 40 pixels, enter, and now what we can do, dot message should be input should be dot input should be ion should be icon, and now here I will be writing like color should be hashtag 77, and cursor should be pointer, and now font size 1.4 em, and now here we can write like dot message should be input, and now here we can write like dot input shall be input, and now here we can write like border shall be none, and now here we can write like none, and now here we can write like outline shall be none, and now what we can do here till here my work is done, and now what we can do here we can write like padding should be 5 pixels, dot mic shall be position shall be relative, enter, width should be 37 pixels, and height should be also 37 pixels, and background color should be I will give like hashtag 008069, and display should be flex, justify content should be center, enter, align items should be center, and here I will be telling my work is done, and color should be I will give hashtag FFF, font size 1.2 em, and now border radius I will be give like 50%, and now here I will be go to the hair, and here I will give like cursor should be pointer, dot deck should be 45, rotate should be 45 degree, enter, dot in second, and text align should be center, position should be absolute, cursor should be pointer, and font weight should be 600, enter, bottom should be 60 pixels, left should be 0, right should be 0, enter, and now what we can do, font size should be 1.1 em, enter, border radius should be 5 pixels, and save, and transition I will be give like 0.25 seconds, save, and then refresh, and now Telema work is done. Here we will see it. So now what we can do, Telema work is done, and now here I will be go, and here I will give like dot in second should be hover, color should be hashtag 00A1B4, and now here we can write like dot in scan should be 2, position absolute, bottom 0, right 0, left 0, enter, text align should be center, and now here we can write like padding should be I will be give like padding should be 1.4 em, and now here we can write like font size should be 1.1 em, and 1.1 em, and now what we can do here we can write like dot in scan should be 2, should be A, should be text decoration should be none, and here I will give like color should be hashtag 333, enter, transition should be 0.25 seconds, and now here we can write like padding should be 5 pixels, and now in scan should be 2, should be A, should be hover, and now color should be hashtag 008069, and save here, and then refresh. So now here we will see it. Here we can easily build our WhatsApp UI app in using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript easiest. And here we will see it. Here we can click, so it is coming like that, and now here I will give like a status, and there is button, and 4 hours go, then call, here is call button, and here is a many much more button, and here come scroll, and then I will see in responsive also. Here you can see in responsive it looks like that beautifully. Here we can build it our WhatsApp UI app, UI app in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I hope you can enjoy this class. And here I will see you in that. Here we will see it. Here I will be easily build it. So I hope you guys enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you in next class and next very amazing class. And so for today, goodbye.
Te preocupa se ele te bota, soca, 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 sem nem se preocupa se ele